Welcome to a recipe for German Kartoffelpuffer. We use 1 potato, half an onion, a little bit of salt, some oats and flour. First we chop the potato in very, very small pieces. If you have a kitchen machine you can use it. We cut the onion as well in small pieces or put it in the kitchen machine. We add the oats, around 3 tablespoons of oats and 3 tablespoons of flour. We mix it all together. We put some vegetable oil or plant butter in the pan and make small wedges. We fry it from both sides. You can serve it with the apple puree or small cooked pieces of apple. Enjoy!